What we're doing out here in the woods is we're making some cocktails that you guys can make very simply with just a few ingredients, and it's just a great way to enjoy the campsite, wind down after a long day, and just kind of relax. Now in the summer, there's a drink that I go to that's super simple, couple ingredients, and it's a gin and tonic. So tell us about this.
Yeah, gin and tonic is just that, gin and tonic. It's pretty simple.
That's easy enough. So guys, I'd like to introduce you to my friend Chad. Chad runs a great store down in Nixon, Missouri, Overland Attic. And the reason that we're creating all these cocktails for you guys is so that way you can try them and then come up and have one at More Expo in April.
That's right, We're gonna have the Overland Attic recovery room. So you can come there, we're gonna be serving some drinks, gonna have a lounge area, take a load off, listen to a little music. So yeah, come on down and check it out.
Sounds good. Well, let's make a drink.
First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pour our gin into the drinks here. So we got some Bombay Sapphire. Is this your favorite gin?
When I'm drinking gin with a lime, I like to use Bombay.
Okay.
And when I use a cucumber, if it's a cucumber drink, I like to use Hendrick's.
Yeah, Hendrick's is a really popular gin.
Yeah, or just grab whatever you like. You know, you can make the gin and tonic with a cucumber if you like.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That gives it a little different flavor, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, absolutely. The different gins that you use will completely change the flavor of it, but I suggest getting something good. If we're gonna go through all the trouble of making a nice drink, let's enjoy it.
Quality ingredients, that's right, man.
Absolutely.
All right, so we got our gin. Next is we're gonna top it off with a little tonic. Nice and simple. Last ingredient, we'll squeeze a little lime. Probably give that a little stir, huh?
Yeah.
All right, my friends.
Well, I am excited and ready to go relax.
Cheers.
So, cheers to you guys at home.
Very refreshing.
Yep, that's money right there.
Perfect, yeah.
I love it. Now, where can somebody get one of these?
Like we were talking about, come out to More Expo in April and swing on by the Overland Attic Recovery Room. Get yourself a gin and tonic or maybe something else. Yeah,
any of the drinks that you saw in any of the videos, come have one, but more importantly, make one at camp.
Yes.
Relax and enjoy yourself.
Best place to have one.
Cheers.